XRP hits $50 in a glitch on Gemini, and people are getting overly excited. Let's break down today's latest news and of course the latest figures around the crypto space. But before we do, if you are enjoying these videos, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the latest and greatest crypto news. And where better to start than the headline: XRP actually hit $50 on Gemini as users suspect a relisting price glitch. I mean, XRP has been widely fluctuating on the Gemini crypto exchange after its relisting. Now, crypto users over on Gemini got very excited when they saw the following above my head. $50? Did I miss that opportunity? I think you did. However, the current price for XRP is 63 cents, and according to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, this was just an absolute price glitch. However, it did bring a hell of a lot of excitement because people were thinking, what has gone on? What has actually gone on? And someone on Twitter, which made me laugh, I actually saw someone asking why XRP costs $50 per token on Gemini. So people actually fell for this. It's a little bit of a funny story, but as you can tell, Gemini came out with a statement: we're currently performing maintenance on all the Gemini platform, so all of our services are currently unavailable. All customers' assets and funds remain secure, and we'll provide updates. So it was basically just a glitch, and people got carried away. The next story is the SEC are to announce a major decision around the ETF with Bitcoin. Now, this is going to be huge news. We know there have been filings for multiple ETFs, and simply there is a lot of excitement around this decision. Tomorrow could be a great day, and that, of course, is our today. So happy Friday, everybody. Today might be an amazing day, or will Uncle Gary once again ruin it? The next story is out of Binance. Binance's regulatory move. Now, they are constantly bouncing around in Europe, but is that strategic decision? Now, Binance has shifted its focus to limited European jurisdictions as MiCA regulations loom, and significant crypto firms are also doing the same. Now, despite all the regulations and all the challenges, countries like France may provide a gateway for many of these companies. And it is clear now that Binance are targeting France, and so are other crypto exchanges, as a possible way in and entry into the European Union. And when we say European Union, it's over 20 different countries. So if you get the access to one, there's potentially a loophole in the law that suggests you have access to them all. We're going to monitor this and see exactly what happens. Now, Utes has left Polygon. Now, if you remember correctly, they were given a $3 million grant to come over to Polygon from Ethereum and, frankly, bring a whole load of new community. One of the most bright and shining NFT collections on the Ethereum network. There was a lot of excitement. This was a big news story when they moved to Polygon, but they've decided to move back away and return the $3 million grant. This is a huge story, to be honest, because this is a huge community within the NFT space that is now, frankly, moving back to its traditional ways and moving back to Ethereum from Polygon. You know, the reaction hasn't been great. I think there's a lot of question marks as to what is going on, but it's not yet clear how. Now, AI.com, you may have seen it, you may have not, but their Twitter account or X account has been suspended. Now, this has brought on lots of drama as to what is Elon doing next. Has he got something AI related? Does he want that domain? Why is he doing it? This is something that I'm definitely keeping a track on, because has he got something AI related up his sleeve? Why would he pause that domain? Just doesn't make sense to me. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has returned to New York as prosecutors are pushing for his incarceration. Now, prosecutors have asked a judge to revoke Sam Bankman-Fried's bail, claiming that he tried to harass a witness in his fraud case. This is a huge story. It's developing. He's arrived in New York. Let's see today. Are they going to be successful in getting put back in jail? Who knows? But his lawyers have insisted that he shouldn't be jailed for trying to protect his reputation against a barrage of unfavourable news stories. So basically, Sam went and spoke to a journalist, like we covered before, but people are saying that that is harassment and potentially affecting his case. Interesting story. The final news story before we get into the figures is Solana's $1,000 saga. You know, we know that they created a phone, and that phone was worth $1,000 or being retailed at $1,000. Now, they have now reduced the sale of that phone to $599, a $400 decrease in its price. And frankly, they've come out and said there's been a huge decline in sales, but because of mass adoption, we need to reduce this price. No, you're just not selling enough because it's priced more than most iPhones, let's be totally honest. Mass adoption is not going to be helped by overly priced technology. and you frankly did it. Solana, we're going to come onto this in another video today. This is an interesting story, but please don't act like we're stupid. You just weren't selling enough. You reduced the price. Just be honest. Let's have a look at some of the latest figures. At the current time of me making this video, Bitcoin is currently at $29,402. That is down 0.46%. Ethereum is at $1,848. That is down 0.23%. BNB is at $240, also down 1.13%. And XRP is at 63 cents. That is up 0.08%. And BGB token is at 45 cents. It is up 0.11%. Let's have a quick look at our meme tokens because we do like to have a little look. Shiba is up 1.29%. Doge is down 0.22%. Pepe is up 1.44%. Bonk is down 1.28%. Let's have a look at our ranges and how that has affected. As you can tell yesterday, we rejected that upper range and we are still in that range beneath, and we need to see an aggressive entry to actually see us challenge it, and we haven't seen it yet. Reminder, the top of the current range is $29,580 and the bottom of the range is $27,650, and currently we just look like to be contending the top of it. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum is painting the exact same story as yesterday. Still in the current range, paddling, sideways trading, waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, in my opinion. Reminder, the bottom of the range is $1,730 and the top of the range is $1,958. So as you can see, bang in the middle, nothing too exciting to go about. Now, the Fear and Greed Index is currently at 51. That is a decrease from yesterday's 52. And we are seeing an increase in volumes, which shows that there is increased volatility within the market and potential for great trades. Now, if you are trading, be sure to stay safe. Do your own research and make calculated decisions, because crypto bubble right now is an absolute mess. As you can see, it's a bit of a mixed bag. It's 50-50 in my opinion. Some of the highlights that are losing: GMX is down almost 10%, CAS is down 7.5%, APT is down 4.3%, HBAR is also down, CFX is down almost 2%, ICP is down again. So yeah, as you can tell, it's not a pretty day on crypto bubbles. I think it's feeling rather confused on this Friday morning. Hopefully you're not too confused and you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and most importantly, let's go.